Okay, good morning, Spoos. Trading down $8. We said to our members yesterday that sure looked like the ES was closing with what felt like typical action, but we closed where we opened yesterday. We opened at 54, we closed at 54. Yes, we had a big move down to the 39 area, in which we said we would see 40 in the day, and we actually took a short early in the day and took about 10 points out of it there from 50. We sold right in this area here down to 40. So that was really the only obvious trade to us for the day, and then we said get shorted to the close, as tomorrow we should go back and again test that 940, and something's going to be resolved here. So excuse me, you can see that's exactly what we've done. A lot of these moves are happening overnight, but right now the move is to the downside. Pivot is 949, so you want to be short unless we're over 951 this morning. 951 you would reverse and go long, but right now you do want to be short up to 949, and again reverse if you're not swing trading, as we suggested last night. So these V moves. Again, we tested the breakout again. We broke out in the morning. We couldn't get over it into the close. It was a low risk short up to 56, stop over 58, and here we are again heading down. This morning, again, you had lackluster behavior from the banks. Yesterday, you had oil is down $1.50. Banks were down $1.15 yesterday, and they again rallied in the end of the day, but it felt fake to us, and there was no confirmation in price. So we're still not seeing it. VIX down at 23.87, hit a low yesterday of right about here, 23.70. So VIX to me is looking like it's going to bounce here very quickly. We're way below the 40 period average, much extended. Probably going to get a sell-off in the market soon, especially after now we've had 7 straight up days. So we're looking for a rest in the market, maybe pull back to that 925, 930 area for sure. We're sitting here at 945 right now. So that's what we'll be looking for. Again, if you want to look at a quick 10-day chart here, let's do that here real quick. You can see we've run straight up from 865 to 956, and again a big fib, a big fib area, just to give you some perspective. So you're talking almost 90 points, 10% in the market in 7 trading days. And a fib number here that you'd be looking for major resistance would be 900. 900 happens to be, again, you can see these battle zones even with the fib. You got the first one here at 935, the next at 922, and you can see right where these lines match up. It's just amazing how they work. 911 and then 900 being the key one here. Obviously, we'll need to hold 900 if we pull back again sometime this summer. I'm not saying we're going to pull back to 900. Again, I think somewhere in this area right in here, we would pull back that 922 to 935. So look for that over the next few days at least. Possibly 911 is a 50% retrace. That would be a deep scare. But again, everything is lining up. VIX is just slipping away. Your earnings are almost over. You just had Apple last night. Apple said they're selling less iPods, more iPhones. Nothing we didn't know. Music's going to stop being sold again. Everything's streaming soon here. So Apple has gapped up from the close yesterday. It was 145, trading about 158 now. So be watching that. But again, I mentioned yesterday that 158 area actually is the 61. 155.71 is the 61.8 line for the high of the past year, 180, past 2 years. So if you even look on a weekly chart, Apple still is in a bearish mode up to a little bit higher yet still. So Apple from the high of 203 down to 79 gets you a 61.8 of 155.84. So we're on that right now. And the 176 area is the next area of resistance above that. So that's what you're looking at on Apple. The market is ringing. Take it easy out there. Again, it is summer trading. Don't try to press too much. But again, I think we will see some lower trades over the next few days. And we'll be watching for the setups to take that. Again, today, pivot 949. You want to sell up to that, get long over 951 intraday. Other than that, it's pretty simple. Stay to the short side. And this is the first time in 7 days that we've been opening below the pivot. So definite change in character in the market. And be careful out there for you long guys, long only. It's about to change. The game is changing a little bit here. You better be ready to roll.